episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Third one I'm cooking today. But this is Indomie with their mie instan Empal Gentong from Indonesia, thanks to Ferengi from Australia. Sorry. And yeah, we're gonna cook that up. So let's do so with aplomb. It's really the way to do it, don't you think? Okay, so we are gonna drop the noodle block in. Aha! Now I found it. So no, you can't go anywhere in the United States and find this for sale. This is not an import variety, or export rather, which sucks because we don't have anywhere near the amount of varieties that they've got of Indomie in Indonesia, by a long shot. But, you know, what do you do? So, yeah, the sun is being a pain in the butt, and it's been a day. I can't believe it's almost 2 o'clock already. We spent so much time sitting waiting for my poor son to get checked out by a doctor. And then we had to go get prescription. And now it's almost 2 o'clock. That was fast. Super fast. So, yeah. That's all I got to say about that. And you are looking at the noodles boiling. I'd like to give a shout out to Bunch, who has asked multiple times. And he really seems to enjoy, I think it's a he. It's a she, sorry, Bunch. But yeah. But yeah, you may all wish Miles feeling better. This is the last couple. You've probably heard him coughing in the background. Poor kid. You know, I'm throwing this in. This says solid ingredients on it. I don't think I'm gonna get in trouble. Because there's another one that's definitely. Alright, and here we go again. My phone just keeps losing juice, so hopefully that will be better. Anyways, let's give this a try really quick. I've got it up to like 2%, and it's plugged in to like a super fast charger. I don't know what the heck. Noodles, cheers. Broth. Interesting. They're like little bits. I see what they're saying about it being curry-like. I wouldn't go... That would not be my first terminology for it. But it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm hoping that if this cuts out again, that'll be that. Because this thing needs like a full charge. It's being unhappy about my lack of full chargitude. And I apologize for that. But this isn't bad. I will definitely say not my favorite of all the Indonesian varieties that I've had. But again, it's not too bad. So there's that. I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper. Actually, we're gonna add some spring onion first. And we're going to add some crushed red pepper. And honestly, I am going to add some sesame seed on this one. Yeah, that's good. And we're going to add some onion of the spring. Or no, we already did that. We're going to add some crunchy fried onion. Crispy. It says crispy on the packaging, folks. Another thing you might add, actually, would be pork rinds. That's pretty popular over there as well. What do you mean? Yep. So here we are. Let's allow Rotato to fulfill our deepest desires. Well, that's it for me. I don't want this thing to crap out again while you're watching. So, yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out, helps other people check out the show. Have a good one, and bye-bye.